First question. What type of conservative regimes were set up in 1850 in Europe? Your option is A. Autocratic, B. Democratic, C. Aristocratic, D. Dictatorial. Time start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is A. Autocratic. Second question. Napoleon invaded Italy in. Your option is A. 1821, B. 1719, C. 1905, and D. 1797. Time start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is B. 1790. Third question. Who was proclaimed King of United Italy in 1861? Your option is A. Victor Emmanuel II, B. Louis Philippe, C. Mazzini, and D. Cavour. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is A. Victor Emmanuel II. Fourth question. Which of the following artists painted the image of Germania? Your option is A. Richard M. Howe, B. Ernest Renim, C. Frederick Soreau, and D. Philip Ditt. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is D. Philip Ditt. Fifth question. Who said when French sneezes the rest of Europe catches cold? Your option is A. Garibaldi, B. Bismarck, C. Mazzini, and D. Duke Metternich. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is D. Duke Metternich. Sixth question. Who was proclaimed the Emperor of Germany in 1871? Your option is A. Ottoman Bismarck, B. Victor Emmanuel II, C. Count Cavour, and D. Kaiser Wilhelm I of Prussia. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Right answer is D. Kaiser Wilhelm I of Prussia. Seventh question. Which one of the following was not the features of Napoleonic Code? Your option is A. Equality before law, B. Universal adult franchise, C. Right to property, and D. Privileges based on birth. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is D. Privileges based on birth. Eighth question. Who hosted the Treaty of Vienna? Your option is A. Frederick Soreau, B. Victor Emmanuel, C. Duke Metternich, and D. Giuseppe Garibaldi. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is C. Duke Metternich. Ninth question. Name the customs union formed by Prussia to abolish traffic barriers. Your option is A. Il, B. Zollverein, C. Joie-Biken, and D. La Patrie. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Right answer is B. Wolverine. 10th question. What did desk bulk stand for? Your option is A. Democracy, B. Factory workers, C. slum dwellers, and D. common people. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer D. Common people.
0.